everyone. Today I'm Nasywa Wahyuni and my friends will be present about Geger Menjangan. So, do you know about Geger Menjangan? You don't know? Are you sure? Okay, no problem. You will be now about Geger Menjangan now. Okay? So, enjoy this video. Geger Menjangan is a mountainous area and includes the Menara Hills at an altitude of about 200 meters above sea level. Geger Menjangan Puro itself is still located in Baletono area of Puro on an area of 12 and 75 hectares. But if you are still confused about the location, I suggest you search by typing Geger Menjangan picture in Lano, Puro, Central Java on Google Maps search only. And if you go to the top Geger Menjangan, you have to take a hiking trail to reach the top. But don't worry about that. From Geger Menjangan Peak, you can enjoy the beauty of the city of Puro and the South Beach. Okay, why Geger Menjangan called that? Because when viewed from over the hill, resembles the back of a deer. Therefore, the local community named the tour Geger Menjangan.
Attractiveness. From the top of this hill, tourists can see the beautiful view of the Menara Hills. Not only that, if the weather is sunny, visitors can also see several mountains such as Mount Merapi, Mount Merbabu, and Mount Sindoro Sumbing. Besides being used as a tourist attraction, in this place there is also a tomb of a great Purworejo scholar named Imam Puro. Usually thousands of pilgrims from various regions throng the tomb or what is commonly called the Nyadran ceremony. Price of admission. For those of you who want to visit Geger Menjangan, you will be charged an entrance fee of 5,000 rupiah per person. The price is very cheap and comparable to the view that will be get later. Meanwhile, visitors who use motorized vehicles will be charged a parking fee of 2,000 rupiah and 5,000 rupiah for cars. Facility. Speaking of facilities, the tourist manager has provided supporting facilities to support tourist activities. Some of the facilities that you can use include the following: parking lot, food stalls, bathroom, gazebo, photo spots, and viewpoint.
Hi guys! So, now we are going to the next topic. In this topic, I will refer about a place for ziarah. So, in the Geger Menjangan isn't just a place for nature tourists, but also there's a religion place. So what can we do on that place? And the answer is, we can do the pilgrimage to the tomb of Mbah Imam Puro. So, do you know who is Mbah Imam Puro? You don't know about who is Mbah Imam Puro? It's okay guys, so let's find out. So, Mbah Imam Puro is a man from Central Java who is spread Islamic religion to the south of Java. And also, Mbah Imam Puro has so many santri in Purworejo, and that's why Mbah Imam Puro very well known in the Central Java, especially Purworejo. Okay guys, now you have known about who is Mbah Imam Puro. So let's go to the next topic. In this place, in the tomb of Mbah Imam Puro, you can do the pilgrimage and also you can do the pray here. And every year, this place has so many visitors every year. and the visitors isn't just from Puro but also from the other city. By the way, do you want to know how to reach the tomb of Imam Puro? Okay, so I will give you the information. So, for reach to the tomb of Imam Puro, you just need to walk following the route. It took 30 minutes. And by the way, in the route, you will find the stairs. And how many stairs are there? From the search we found, we know that the numbers of the stairs is almost 100 stairs. But you don't have to worry because if you feel tired, you can sit on the bench provided. Okay guys, now you have to know how to reach the tomb of Imam Puro. And now I want to give you information about the transportation you can use to go to the Geger Menjangan. So, if you want to go to the Geger Menjangan, you can use or you can ride whatever you have, whatever transportation you have, like motorcycle, car, even a public transportation. In this section, I will give you about how the view from Geger Menjangan. This is a very beautiful and I think and I believe you will really like it. So, without any further ado, let's look at the picture.
툭하면 같은 말들로 내 맘에 상처를 내어놓고 미안하단 말 한마디 없이도 날 혼자 위로하고 오늘 하루도 혹시나 떠날까.
So guys, that's all the information from our group. And thank you so much for your attention and see you at the next time. Bye!